YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a haul from TM Tuesday morning from early in the week. So these have been out for a while, but I just picked them up. These are the Bulldog clips, and I thought this would be cute because I have to make a baby mini album. I'm thinking about using one of these shades of pink probably to close it. And this is 1971099. Of course, you can call the product 1-800 number, type in that number and the price, and then you can see if that's in your area with your zip code. Not the price, I'm sorry, just your zip code. Then there are a lot of Echo Park stuff out. I got the Summer Fun mini paper fans, and $1.49, and it's 1988322. So those little rosettes to go along with the rosettes. Is the layered stickers, $1.49, 1988294. Somebody is always determined to try to scare me. I got this chipboard accents by Echo Park as well, and $1.49, and it's 1988316. Sparkle, adorable beauty, follow your heart, dreams. And then let's see, I thought this ephemera was really cute. It says Valentine is 1982350 for $1.49, and of course it has some red on it, so definitely had to get that.
We're almost there.
Couple embossing folders. This one is a 5x6, and this one is by Carter Bella. All these are $1.99, and it's a 5x6. And this one is called Bold Plaid, and it goes along with the Are You There Yet collection, which you can find right now in TM Tuesday morning. I think it's a very masculine look card. You can use it for like a print, a road or something, directions, a map, a grid. And then I got some Doris embossing folders. They were in, these are $1.49. So nice price. And this one is called Thank You Frames, and it is 2005110. That's how that looks. These are A2, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. That's an A2 card. This one, or actually, I'm sorry, 4 1/4 by 5.75 as far as they say, but it's actually going to come out to be an A2, which is 5 1/2. This next one is actually called Fireplace, and it is 2005105. And that is the picture of the fireplace. Of course, our heat index yesterday was 104. So we don't need to worry about a fireplace right now. But this one is called Fancy Cake. And it is 2005127. You can use that cake for birthdays and for anniversaries and weddings and things like that. This Lighthouse, 2005117. Yep, Lighthouse. You know, thinking of you, looking out for you, all kinds of different things you can use with that lighthouse. And this is a Valentine heart, and this one is 2005136. Let somebody know you're thinking about them or you love them. And this one is Steampunk, 2005120. Thought about Jamie here in the YT with her Steampunk collab when I saw that one. And I'm not sure if I have this one. This mitten one. I have a mitten one, but I'm not sure if I got 2 mittens on it or 4. But it has, this is the one I picked up just in case. If not, I can give it away or take it back. 2005102. This one right here is Birds and Branches, and it's 2005098. And then I got this one die. I gotta check and see if I don't have it, but it's called Lovely Squares.
Oh my goodness, they are down there anyway.
And that is by Bo Bunny, $4.99, 2004092. And then the last thing that I got were 2 of these chipboards, and it is called Main Squeeze. It's by Crate Paper. And it's a 12 by 12, 2018530 $1.99. And look at all those cute, pretty images. Got your llama, got a tag and cherries that love you, banners, fruit, your XO. So 2 of those. So thanks to all my new subbies. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to be creative, and you guys take care. God bless. Bye-bye.